so welcome back to my channel. You know, like last time I showed you that my own Vito video, but now I'm making a different one with the voices. This is the ball. I love the old blue. It's so pretty, like a baby blue color. But at Basketball Book, there's a new series of blue, and Baby Next Door is showing. I'm so excited to open this now. I'm so excited to open it, but first, you know, I'm Zavia, and my last name is like Zavia Awesome, and I'm so excited. And okay, now I'm gonna open it. I'm so excited. And my name is Five. You remember? And my name is Zavia. Okay. Open this bit. Okay. I'm so excited. I don't know who it is, but I'll show you the checklist. See your code sticking out. I see a crown. I see a crown. I'm so excited. What's the baby glue color? It's so pretty. Can't stop saying that. It's so pretty. Oh. The secret message is fancy pants. Fancy pants. Okay, the zipper showing up her butt. It's like the zipper showing his butt. Let's cut that part. There. Move. Okay, almost done. Not really. Fancy pants. Fancy pants. Why are you doing this next? Because I already watched a video of them. Oh, another basketball zipper. Great. That's such a tiny piece. Okay. Okay. I don't know how to open it. Ooh, white showing. Now there's a splash. Because LOL is surprising. This is the ball that I opened, all the layers I opened. I'm so excited. I don't know what I got. The arrow to show it the zipper is. Okay. Almost done. The part open. Almost done. So excited. I never open these balls, but I'm so excited. I have no idea who you get, but I hope it's so. My sister and brother, that they think that we got tough guy, but I don't know. Let's find out. Wow. This is a silver zipper. Oh, my back. Oh. This is the thing I came out, and I'm sorry I just need a little bit of help. Okay, now start. I'll look that. Oh gosh, I'm so rough. Okay, now it's cut. I don't know what to cut. Let's see. Ooh, got a clear water. Look. Okay, next layer. Right here. This is the blue glam bag. Did it open? It feels something weird. Wait. Ooh, little boots. Where's that one? Okay. Okay, keep them wrong. Okay. Okay, I'm so excited. I'm so excited. Oh, this is so cute. Pink is my favorite color. I got the mint after. Let's open the. Whoa. Secret message. Look. A hand will carry it around. I don't open the door. What's in here? There's nothing in here. It should be out the clear. Looks like some paper. Oh, come the sash. I started to show the color changing checklist. Checklist. Oh. A ball. This is. Okay, let's see. Okay. Well, just more checklist. And now it's a big reveal. Okay. Look at the checklist. Okay, now let's open the door.
Wait up.
Hi guys, so this is my brother was messing my video, so now this one. Look at the little fairy curls. And look at his hair. Okay. And this is him. It's so cool. Let's just dress him up. Okay, his name is his Royal Handy and he's in Glam Club. Okay, let's start now. Put his pants on. Look at his face. And look at his butt. Okay. Okay, putting the pants on. He's almost ready. Oh, good. Good work. My dad's already got to work. Okay, let's get started. Let's keep going. I just need my sister, oh, the water. Let's see what he does. I'm so excited. Let's fill it up. Guys, we have to do it like this. Okay. Whoa. Yeah. Come on, little Heiny. And look at his outfit. And your dog. Look. Okay, let's keep going. What? Oh, look at his outfit. Look at his jacket. Look at my feet. Okay. Eating pizza. Let's see. Ready? What's in his body? Doesn't he a checkup? Let's see. He doesn't work. I need my sister to help me, but I can't. My mom said I can't. Okay. I'm crying yet. Is it not ready to cry? Look at that. What is he drinking? Some fruit juice. because it doesn't work. I'll show you downstairs. Okay, guys, so look. This is his shoes. This is his shoes. The back of his shoes. Look at his pink pants. They're so cool. Look at baby's pinkish and reddish. Look at this yellow jacket. It has a little design on it. Like neon yellow and gold sash. Okay, next I'm jumping. Okay. Yeah, I'm jumping in the bed. Okay, I'm getting too tired. Next thing. Okay. This is his water bottle. I gotta show you. A little bit of water. Okay, let's score his head. He's crying. Look. Okay. Subscribe, guys, and watch my other videos. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please remember to subscribe and bye.